Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to remove all payment gateway except direct bank transfer if we apply coupon code in checkout page in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, on left side you see code snippet. And then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down. You can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So we are going to remove all payment gateway except direct bank transfer when someone apply coupon code in checkout page. Now you see BACS. So this is our payment gateway ID, direct bank transfer. Scroll down. You see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to coupon page. So copy any. Now go to checkout page and refresh the page again. Now in checkout page you see have a coupon. Scroll down. You see all payment gateway. Now we are going to add coupon code. Now paste and then apply coupon. Now you see coupon code applied successfully. Scroll down. Only you see direct bank transfer. Remaining all payment gateway is removed. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.